What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will be unboxing the American Express Marriott Bonvoy business card, and on top of that, I'm going to be answering a few questions. A lot of people have been asking me, yo Brian, why did you get this card? Yo Brian, what's so good about the Marriott Bonvoy card? Yo Brian, does this affect, is this card metal? I've been getting so many different type of questions, and I plan on answering them in this video, so stay tuned. Now, before we get into this video, I want to give a huge shout out over to my boy Mark Hammer. So Mark Hammer actually sent me over this sick Star Wars mug with some blue, and it says Stay Jungy on there because y'all know how it is. And the reason why I love this mug so much is because if you guys didn't know, I'm a huge fan of Star Wars. Sometimes I'll binge watch all these Star Wars theory videos on YouTube, and I'm just obsessed with Star Wars. And Mark has been a subscriber for mine for quite a long time, since I started this journey, which is about 5 months, and he's always reaching out to me on Facebook, sending me these incredible positive messages. And Mark, I really appreciate this, and I really appreciate what you do for me, man. And I wanted to give a bigger shout out to just everyone watching this video at this point. I've been in the YouTube game for about 4 or 5 months, like I said, and even though we haven't been in here long, I feel like the support has been crazy insane, and I have some really awesome subscribers that reach out to me, whether it's Instagram, Facebook, or even just dropping comments down on YouTube. I read every one of those, you guys, and I try to respond at least to most of them, so I do appreciate everyone who has been with me up until this point. We're at 6,500, like I said, and our goal is to hit 10,000 soon, before the summer starts at least, and we're just going to go up from there. But if you're watching this, if you're listening, I seriously appreciate all of this. Like, it is insane, and the support has been crazy, and what I'm trying to do is daily uploads. But as you guys know, I do manage a few businesses, and sometimes it just gets really overwhelming, and sometimes it gets hard to just do these videos. But one of the goals I set for myself before I even started this YouTube channel was to try and be as transparent as possible with my audience. And even if this takes up a lot of time, and there's some people here that are just watching me just to learn more about this card instead of who I am, I'm sorry about that, but I have to get this message out because I do care a lot about my subscribers, and I really do appreciate all the support that you guys have given me. Alright, so that mug is back there. Thank you to Mark, and thank you to everyone that has been with me on this journey, and thank you even to my haters, because y'all still watch my videos and you guys still give me engagement, so thank you to all that. So I got this card because originally there is a $125 annual fee for this card. Now, if you sign up before April started, it gives you a promotional offer, and that offer includes a 100,000 sign up bonus, which is pretty high, and it's decent for Marriott comparing what their value of their points are worth. In addition to that, your first year annual fee is waived, and the second year is actually $95 instead of $125. And on top of that, you guys, because it's a business card and not personal, it does not affect the 524 rule. So because it hit those little pain points for me, I was like, all right, this card is good enough for me to sign up. Let's go do it. And I just got this card in the mail about 2 days ago. So what we're going to do now is we're going to jump straight into the camera, and I'm going to unbox this card. Now, you guys might be confused when I unbox this card because I have 3 letters here, and let me explain to you guys what they are. So this is the original package. You can see it's a little thicker. It has all the information that you need. I got this, but I should have expedited this card, so I ended up waiting about a week. And if you're really struggling to meet sign-up bonuses, every single day counts. And what I did was I told them, look, it's been like 5-7 days since I applied for the card. I need it soon because this is a heavy sign-up bonus of $5,000 in 3 months. So I'm looking to put a lot of spend on here, and I was telling them, hey, I need it. And what they did was they actually sent me a expedited overnight card. What ended up happening was these cards actually came on the same day. So this came on like the 5th day, and this package literally came overnight. The reason why I have a 3rd package is because this is my authorized user card. Now let's get straight into the camera so I can showcase these cards to you and what's inside of it. Alright, so here we are on the camera. Here we are, you guys, with the package itself, and I made sure to blur out my information. So as soon as we open the card, we have the mail here, and this is the card. Now, a lot of people, like me, I actually assumed that this card was going to be metal as well. It is not metal, so that's a little disappointing. It's pretty flimsy plastic. You can see how much it bends, and I don't know, you guys, that's a little disappointing to me because as a business card user, I thought this would be metal, but hey guys, I am not going to complain. It's all good. So we're going to throw that card right over there. Guys, so this is the card itself. This is not my first card with American Express. So they started me out at a $10,000 limit with a $2,000 cash advance limit. Their APR is pretty damn high, which is at 27%. But like I say, you should not be using this card if you're not going to pay off the full statement balance unless it's 0% APR card, in my opinion. Alright, so in terms of the fees, we have a $0 first year and then a $95 annual fee. This is part of the promotion of signing up when I did. Now, it tells me more about how it's pretty funny because it says SPG instead of Bonvoy, but I guess it's because they're still going through some of the terms that they have not updated. It'll say SPG, Marriott Bonvoy, but you know, these are really the fine print things. If you have this card, maybe you'll be more interested in reading this, but I know your average person is not going to be interested in looking at this. Now there's a cool little paper here. This is something you'll find on their website. It looks very similar. On top of that, you have your card member agreement, so we'll put that there. On top of that, you guys, this is my authorized user card. I got a lot of people asking me on my Instagram, like, yo, did you actually put flex on there? Like, why'd you do that? I don't know, you guys, alright? It was kind of stupid for me to do that, but it's an authorized user card, and you can put whatever name you want, so I just decided to put that there. Now, let me get this to focus. So this is the Marriott Bonvoy business card. This is the authorized user version, and this is really what it looks like. Now, this is my other expedited card. It's really going to be the same thing, you guys. And this is the other card. They all look the same. There's nothing different about that, but this is all that comes with your Marriott Bonvoy business card. There's a ton of papers in here, so just note that. But let's get back into the video. Alright guys, so that was my unboxing of the Marriott Bonvoy business card. The Marriott Bonvoy card, it is really flimsy. It doesn't even feel like plastic. It actually feels like a piece of cardboard. Like, I feel like it'll just tear. That's how thin it is. This one right here, guys, is the American Express Business Prime card. Now, let me get this to focus. It's nothing like this, and I'm a little surprised onto why they made a business card this flimsy. It just doesn't feel like it should be a business card by American Express. They were actually supposed to have a metal design, but it went to plastic because of the contactless feature. I don't know if that's necessarily true because all my other metal cards have the contactless feature. This one has it right here. You know, I don't think it being metal really accounts for that. So if you guys know why they made this card into a piece of cardboard, then you guys can tell me why down there, because I literally have no idea. But hey guys, that was my unboxing and that was my little spiel about the American Express Marriott Bonvoy business card. If you're someone that's interested in getting this card, they're not actually waiving the annual fee anymore because that promotion date has passed, but they're still allowing you to get that 100K offer if you spend $5,000 in the first 3 months. If you're interested in getting this card, let me know down below. But other than that, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you drop a like if you did, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace. Beep. And they did all that. They came out with a beep. So why did I get the Marriott Beep. So why did I get the Marriott Bonvoy business card and the beep? Oh. Beep. So why did I get the Marriott Bonvoy business card? Well, the reason why I got this card is because beep. End date started that if you got this card before a certain time, beep. So why did I get this card? So basically I got this card because before April, beep, 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 beep. Oh my gosh. Sometimes it's just really hard to talk as a YouTuber. I'll tell you, if you're watching these bloopers, sometimes it's really hard to just do these videos. Like, I don't normally stutter in person. I normally don't, but it's not easy talking to a camera. Y'all see yourself? Yeah, so, I mean, just talking to a camera like this, it's not that easy. I gotta be frank with you. I gotta be frank. It ain't that easy. Alright, let's get back into it. Alright, so the reason why I got the Marriott Bonvoy